Now let us start with the actual working of this system. As you can see, this bedside unit, when it is switched on, there will be green light on the wall unit. Similarly, there will be a hanging cord, and the patient switch will have two photographs. One is of that of the nurse and other one is of the attendant. Now let us start the system. Suppose if now the patient wants to call the nurse, he will press this nurse picture. When the picture is pressed, you can see this red light flashing. Along with this, there will be blue light on the door display, and corresponding bed number will be flashed on the bed number screen. 656 is the number flashed, which indicates 6th floor, 56 bed number. The same number is on the door, 6th floor, 56 bed number. Now suppose if and you can see this is also flashing, nurse call on the wall unit. For your information, this part is for the nurse and this part is for the patient. Now suppose if the patient wants to call the attendant, he will press this attendant picture. See what happens. When he presses this, yellow light is flashing. Similarly, there will be blue light on the wall unit display. Ward boy call, along with ward boy call number 656, 6th floor, 56 number. Both these numbers are same because they are in the same room. Bed number and ward boy number is the same. 56 is the bed number and 56 is the ward boy call number. Now you can see this is blue light on the door display. Now the audio is not going to stop unless the nurse comes and visits the patient, sees the patient. When the nurse visits the patient, what she will do to dismantle the system, she will just press this reset button. When the reset button is pressed, you see what happens. Everything is come to the standby mode. Displays have gone off. Green light on the wall unit and zero light on the patient switch. Now this is the actual working of the bed unit and the nursing station monitor, as well as the door display unit. Now let us come to the washroom unit. You can see this unit is a washroom unit which will be installed on the top of the POP. It will have hanging cord along with switch. Now you have an option. You can either use hanging cord or you can use it as a functional switch. On the switch you will see there are two buttons, call button and reset button. Now suppose if the patient is in the washroom and has some emergency, he will press the call button. Now see what happens when the call button is pressed, red light is flashing. That means his call has been registered. Along with this, there will be a green light on the door display indicating that there is a call from washroom. When nurse sees this green light, she will come to know that some patient has called from the washroom. Similarly, there will be washroom number 661, again 6th floor, 61 number. You can see this 661 is also here, printed here, engraved here, 661. That means this is a washroom call. Then if you press this, it will get reset. But now since we have used this switch, you have to press the reset from here. When you press the reset from here, see what happens. Zero light here, again white indicator and no display on the nursing side. Lastly, suppose if you want to make use of this switch as a pull cord switch, you just press this. See, when you press this, you will get red flashing indicator as well as display board number and green light on the door display unit. Now you have the option, if you are fixing this somewhere near the wall, close to the commode or anywhere, then you have an option, you can even press this switch for reset. See what happens when you press this switch, zero off, audio is stopped and the light is displayed. So this is the actual function, real-time function of the nurse call system. Wall unit green light, door display white light, normal mode, zero display on the nursing station, No lights on the washroom unit. Start again. Press nurse call. Patient is calling only nurse call. Okay. 656 number is seen. Nurse comes, wants to reset, sees the patient, resets it. That's all. Single, this will go off now. Suppose if he wants to call only the attendant, he will press only attendant. You can see blue light, water boy call. Green light, water boy call. Second display is on, 656 number. First display is off, washroom is off. Okay, nurse comes, presses this. Off, off. If patient calls both nurse and water boy at one stretch, see. Red, nurse call, blue, water boy call. Blue light, door unit, two displays, 656, nurse bed unit, 656, water boy unit. At one time, two displays. If there is someone who is in the washroom, he presses washroom, call. You get washroom number here. So, three displays at one time. 661, washroom number, 656, water boy number, 656, bed number. So, three displays at one time. Last step, nurse comes, presses the reset. Now see what happens when the reset is pressed. This will go. 656 disappeared. 656 water boy call disappeared. But washroom reset is not pressed. So it is still flashing with the audio beep. Continuous beep, periodic beep. Now when you press this reset, you press reset, this will go. So this is how the system will work in the wards. In the rooms, nursing station will be monitored here. Always there will be green light when the monitor is on. We also have, this is the main CPU which will be installed at the back of or near the table, somewhere near the table. Yes, thank you.